Hello everyone. Guys, we're going to take a look at this practice worksheet. And we're just going to practice this correlation. I think it's relatively easy. I think you're going to get it. It'll help you on the summary. Okay, let's look at all these dots. There's no correlation here at all. There's no line formed here at all. This is no correlation, okay? Take a look at this one. Kind of has a line kind of going down like this. That's negative. It's going down. All right, that's negative correlation, okay? Just do them all like that. There's only 10 problems. It won't take you very long. Because this one is going up like this. All right, that's positive correlation. Now, don't let number 4 trick you here, okay? It's not... If we drew a line where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, maybe a line that was something... Oh, this one up here too. Something like that, maybe. Where there's 5 on each side of that line. That's still negative. It's still going down like this. It's still going down. It's negative, okay? Okay, guys, I printed this worksheet. You don't have to hand it in. You can print out the PDF if you want, or just watch this video. That's okay with me. All right, take a look at this one. There's no line here at all. Again, there's no correlation. These are easy. You can get those. This line, again, is going down like this. It's negative. All right, these dots are all over the place. There's no correlation there. Right, number 8, again, is a little bit tricky because it curves up like this. It's not really as linear as we would like it to be. But it's still going up. It's still something like that, somewhere in there. It's going up. It's positive. If we drew a line, it would be positive correlation. This one the same way. There's a little cluster up here if you see it. 3 and 3, something like... How about that? 3, and there's 4 on this side. Something like that. That's positive. All right, last one. Pretty obvious. It's coming down, something like that. So it's negative. That's all you have to do with those, okay? Again, you don't have to hand in the worksheet. We just did it together. Why don't you just take that summary? Guys, the notes is a little different today. All right? The notes and the summary are a little bit different today, guys. All right? We're just doing some worksheets in the top and the bottom green folder. All right? This top one is pretty short. So here, I'll try to draw one thing before we go. Okay, that's it. Thanks.